Hi everyone, I'm Olin-san. Today we are going to introduce the multi-profile roll forming machine for start and truck and the floor joint system, the MF300 machine. Alright, so one of our machine feature, we use the aviation plug. So the aviation plug can easily to insert into the another interface and get it into the another machine and to power up all the machine system. And the black one plug is to feed it power to the decoyer. So it's really easy and faster to have the machine power up. The punching system is used to punch all the holes on the machine profile. So now let's take a look at the punch system. It has all the way to 7 punching system, and it punches out the trackball, web notch, and flange cards, and service hole, and large punch outs for the HVAC holes. So we can take a closer look at this material. All the punching tools, the material, the punching molds, the punching die sets are made by CR12 material and with high grade the precision. So this is ensures the punching is on high precision. So the pulse cutter is also designed to cut the blades with the multi-size. And then we can see here, we can easily to rotate the screw bars to clockwise, and then to have the blade cutting modes to move the left and right side to make the different size of the cuts. Okay, so this is the finished profile for the floor joint system. It has the large punch out for HVAC hole, and also have the bolt hole too for the cap connection. And the service hole right here, we will use the to go through the water pipe and the electronic pipe. We have the inkjet printing system printing the codes on both flange sides. So right here we can see all the edges are really flat, no any scratches. This has helped to prevent the labels getting hurt while they handling this material.